I have a sweet but short quote to start off today's video for you guys. Visualization is daydreaming with a purpose. That quote is by successful businessman and motivational speaker Bo Bennett. Visualization is a powerful ability that we can all exercise and is a key motivator in bringing to life our dreams and our visions. So in today's video, we will be discussing our dreams and how to bring them to life, as well as how to create a vision board that will take our visualizations to the next level. So let's take some time now to visualize all the things that we can become, as well as all the things that we wish to do. It can be a real challenge to juggle your dreams with your everyday reality, but by properly utilizing your vision board, you can introduce your dreams to your reality every day and use it to fuel your journey. Vision boards are powerful because they allow us to experience our dreams before they happen. They allow us to create a desired reality through manifesting our thoughts. And vision boards encourage us to take the next step towards achieving our dreams. Now let's take a look at what makes a vision board strong. All right, so first things first, we are gonna make a list. On this list, we are gonna put down at least 10 to 20 different things that we wish to see ourselves obtain, become, achieve, and this goes for both our personal as well as our career dreams. All of these things should be of a positive nature. Things that have some sort of connection with our passions, and will bring love and happiness and comfort into our lives, that will support our principles, our ideas, and creativity. With your list in mind, what we will do now is find pictures, symbols, quotes, inspiring words and figures, affirmations, and goals that support our vision. So the easiest ways that we're gonna obtain pictures and quotes and symbols for our vision board is the good old-fashioned Google or Yahoo or Bing, even Pinterest and stock image sites. It's also a really good idea to use your own personal photos, whether they're of yourself or they just relate to your vision. Maybe when you're on a memorable vacation or during a very happy period of your life, use those photos because they'll remind you of that blissful experience, and you could revisit that every time that you look at your vision board. Remember, when you're browsing images, be sure to save ones that stand out to you, ones that complement your creativity and can inspire you. This is important because once again, you'll be looking at it every day and night. All right, so now that we got about 10 to 20 solid images for our vision boards that's gonna motivate us, there's a couple options we can choose from to physically piece each picture together onto our vision board. So you can either use a program like Photoshop or Microsoft Paint or Keynote to design your vision board like how I did, or you can do it the old school way where you print off each picture and cut them out, glue them onto a larger piece of paper or board. That option, it's a little bit more work. However, some of you guys might like that over the digital layout because it's more of a process. It's just a little bit more hands-on. But in this video, I will be demonstrating through Keynote, which is a program on the Mac. So for you guys who got Mac computers out there, this is Keynote right here, this little podium kind of icon. So we're gonna click on it. Then we're gonna go to new document. We're just gonna choose the plain black or plain white. Let's do plain white actually. It's a little easier on the eyes. We'll just delete all this stuff here. If you guys wanna change the background, you can just click on this. You got all your colors there. Or you can just click on the generic colors. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna drag some of these pictures in. It's actually quite simple, and it's gonna probably be just as simple for most programs that you guys use. So let's see. All right, that one's a bit big, so let's just make that smaller. All right, let's get another one in there. There we go, a little puzzle piece. And it's always good to find images, that are high quality. That way, it's not pixelated, doesn't look ugly, it's clear to the eyes. There we go, sweet. So you might have to play around with it for a bit. When I originally did mine, it actually took a couple hours because I just wasn't feeling the overall look of it. It just wasn't pleasant to my eyes. So it's really up to your own creativity and how you want to do it. it just depends on what you want. So from here, what we can do, let's see, we can add little frames and whatnot. This is what I did, because it just gives it more of a pleasurable look, you know, visually it's more inviting. So that's basically the gist of it, right guys? So one benefit of using a digital design for your vision board is that, I find this pretty cool, you can make it your background, whether it's of your desktop computer or your phone. It's just so cool because now your vision board is everywhere you go. We all look at our phones 100 times a day. So for our vision board to be right there, it's a constant reminder. See, look at that. This is the finished product of my vision board. Is that how yeah, there we go. So let's just see that. Like I said, this took a little bit of time to put together, but it's inviting to the eyes. It's not too much, and it's exactly what I wanted. So this is what it should look like. I mean, you don't have to put them all bunched together like I did. You can, you know, spread these out a bit and make it a bit smaller, get the background color a little bit more on the screen kind of thing. See right there, that's the background color, but I jammed everything in. I mean, I felt it wasn't too heavy on my eyes, so this is just kind of my personal preference. So now that the editing is done and the vision board is finally completed, there is still more fun. You can either print it off of your home computer or you can take it to a photo lab. Personally, I took it to a photo lab just because I felt that the home printer quality wasn't enough and I wanted my picture to be a bit bigger. So the photo lab I took it to, it turned out to be about $14.99, which wasn't too bad, and it's a 12 by 18 inch photo. So that's a good enough size where I can see it from around the room and I can make out each picture clearly. So from there, what you can do, guys, you can put it into a frame, or you can just kind of plug it on the wall. You can get a couple copies, put them around the room. You know, you want to have it somewhere in the room or around the house where you're gonna see it every day. You're gonna see it when you go to bed, and you're gonna see it when you wake up, whether it's your dresser, or you could put it by your nightstand. Some people put it by their mirrors, or on their mirrors, sorry, on the back of your door. Just choose a spot that it's gonna be in your way. You're gonna want to constantly walk by it, and you're gonna want to use it as a reminder every single day that these are your dreams and you're taking every step you can to achieve them. I had so much fun making this video, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I do have one little surprise for you today. Here is the finished product of my vision board. Once again, it is a 12 by 18, and this is what she looks like. So I mean, for 15 bucks, I mean, you can't really go wrong. Some of the pictures are a little pixelated. You might not be able to see it through there, but even at that, it's gonna be on the wall. I'm not always gonna be, you know, putting my nose right up to it, so that's fine. It's just the idea, you know, you wanna be able to see everything clearly, and I think this size is perfect. So once again, that is my vision board. I would love to hear about the ideas you guys put together for your vision boards, where you put them, what kinds of things you put on them. You can leave them in the comments below. If you guys liked the video you saw today, please subscribe for more health related content. And once again, I am the Health Mark, and have a good day. Signing off.